Today I was going to do a little tutorial on single arm forward mills with the Cadi Club. It's a great single arm movement to do with the club. It's great for the shoulders, triceps, really good for your grip strength. The way it works, the simple breakdown is you'll swing the club in front of you where the head goes down, and then you'll pull it up and cast the club behind you, and you want the head of the club to come right behind your head into the backswing, and then you pull it back over your shoulder and start the rep again. And it's important to, as you're coming up this way, to keep your elbow kind of tucked and keep that club head low. You don't want to be throwing your hand way high up in the air and letting that club free fall into the backswing. So you just keep it nice and tight. And just, it's a great movement. Do a few reps here. So give that a try and grease up them shoulders.